are talking about is the turtle and the monkey.
What is the reason why the topics decide to help the banana tree?
Because the monkey eating all the bananas and didn't share it to the turtle.
They have a fight about monkey eating all the bananas.
And after that, they plant their both half of the banana tree.
And after a few days, the lower side of the banana is having a leaf and the upper side of the banana tree is dying.
After a few days, the lower side of banana tree is having some banana, and the upper side of the banana tree, it die.
And the turtle is having to fun eating the bananas and the monkey know his lesson for eating all the bananas and didn't share it to the turtle.
Story teach us to be wary of those who offer quick solution or promise that seems too good to be true. Don't easily fall in their words, because if you fall of their lies, you are like turtle victim of good words but all of that is lies.